Welcome back everybody to my channel. Today I got the Polaris Sportsman 570 2020 plus plastic skid plate from Ironbaltic. This is a pretty aggressive skid plate system and it looks like it has some pretty good reviews, and I'm gonna install this on my brand new 22 leftover Sportsman I just bought. All right, let's dig into this thing and see what it looks like. Okay, it gives you a list of everything this came with. And then directions how to install it. And right away, this is just amazing how thick that is. I guess it's 10 millimeters thick. It definitely looks it. And it's all CNC cut out. It looks amazing. It really is incredible quality. That looks like it's gonna, that's one of the control arm covers. Here's another one. This must be the front one. Man, heavy duty. So it got some nice cutouts for the mud and water also. Man, I mean, I can't even move that stuff. It is very durable. You can tell it's gonna be incredible. Box of hardware that it came with, all kinds of washers, all the bolts, they're all numbered, and some more brackets, a bunch of brackets that are just gonna have to be installed. Sure, it's all gonna be in here in the manual. It's got some pretty good manual with all the numbers for all where the bolts go in the washers. But this skid plate is absolutely amazing looking. I can see now why it cost what it did. I mean, it is incredibly thick, and it just looks, these holes are just amazing. Obviously it's CNC cut. Definitely, that is gonna be one rugged skid plate. I mean, there's no doubt that that is just gonna last. I'm already super excited about this. I kind of was hesitant at first to spend the money, but I think this is going to be a really good first initial upgrade of that four-wheeler to protect the underneath of it, because it really doesn't come with anything to protect that four-wheeler, and it needs it. It's, you know, in order to actually go out and use it out through the woods, and you're going to occasionally smash on a rock, and you really want something like this to protect it. All right, we'll get out there and installing it. Okay, here we are. I got the wheeler on the engine crane, all vertical. That way I can get under here easy and put this skid plate on. Got all the parts laid out right here, they're all numbered. Got the tools that I need. And we'll try to get this thing put on. I'm just gonna do like a time lapse of me doing it, and then I'll show you how it looks after. And then we'll be doing our review video of how it works, taking some impacts on some rocks. Okay, we're all done. There it is. It's definitely some major protection on this wheeler now. I will be honest, this was not a fun kit to put on. It was a little bit of a pain. The hardware, getting some of it in there in places. I mean, now that it's all on, it's great. And as I got going, it got easier. But this was a pain in the butt. The brackets that go behind here that hold this plate on, they were such a pain in the butt to get on. But man, what a difference. And this kit is absolutely insane. This thing's like a military tank now. Love it. Okay, here we are. I got the wheeler out today. Just check out that skid plate system. It definitely was a pain in that buttocks to get this going last night. I worked on it till like 1 o'clock in the morning, but now that it's on here, it is so worth it. I love how it comes up to protect over this footwell. That has full protection now, you know, from smashing on a rock. It comes all the way up underneath here into places, into the back, come around here, it comes up through here, over all these control arms. It's definitely awesome. I love it. Super quality. And it looks good on the wheeler. It definitely does. You know, as far as putting it on, you know, you're gonna swear, you're gonna get very upset. You gotta have some patience, but once it's on and it's all installed, it's so worth it. It totally is. I love how these come up to protect the CV boot and all that. All right, like and subscribe.